Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to check omega-3 capsules for authenticity. First, always look for reputable third-party certifications, such as IFOs or USB on the product label. These certifications ensure the product has been tested for purity and potency. Also, carefully check the expiration date and storage instructions to maintain quality. Finally, examine the ingredient list to confirm it contains pure fish oil, not just a blend. A simple freezer test can help determine authenticity. Place a capsule in your freezer for several hours. Genuine fish oil, rich in polyunsaturated fats, should not freeze solid. If it becomes completely solid, it might contain other oils or fillers. Additionally, perform a smell test. High-quality omega-3 capsules should have little to no fishy odor, indicating freshness and proper processing. A strong, rancid smell suggests oxidation. When checking for originality, always verify the EPA and DHA content per serving. Reputable brands clearly state these amounts, often providing at least 500 milligrams of combined EPA and DHA. This indicates a potent and effective supplement. Furthermore, ensure the product is tested for purity, guaranteeing it is free from heavy metals like mercury, PCB, and other environmental toxins. This information is usually available on the manufacturer's website or through third-party reports. Finally, always research the brand's reputation and read customer reviews to gauge overall satisfaction and product consistency. A transparent company will readily provide information about their sourcing and manufacturing processes. Also, visually inspect the capsules. They should appear clear, uniform in color, and free from any visible defects. For more great deals and to grab your own Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener, check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.